Let's take up alcohols, phenols and ethers. The first topic is classification. Alcohol is classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric or polyhydric alcohol. The first we have taken examples of monohydric alcohol CH3, CH2OH. It can also be written as C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol is the common name. Ethanol is the IUPAC name. It has one OH group, that's why it is called monohydric alcohol. In dihydric alcohol, first one we have CH2OH, CH2OH can be written in this form CH2OH, CH2OH. This is called ethylene glycol in common system. IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. This is dihydric alcohol because it contains two OH groups. Now we take trihydric alcohol CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is called glycerol. Another common name is glycerine. IUPAC name is propane 1,2,3-triol. It has three OH groups, so we call it trihydric alcohol. This is monohydric phenol because it has only one OH group. This is dihydric phenol, 2 OH group. Trihydric phenol, 3 OH groups. Compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon and OH. First we classify them as primary. Primary will be CH2OH. That is OH is attached to primary carbon atom. Secondary, OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom. It is denoted by CHOH. If OH group is attached to tertiary carbon, that is C, it is called tertiary alcohol. So these are three types of alcohols: primary, secondary and tertiary. Next we are taking allylic alcohol. CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH is allylic primary alcohol. Allyl group is when CH2 is attached to OH and next carbon is attached to the double bond. This is allylic secondary alcohol because OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom and this is also allylic. Tertiary allylic alcohol, this is allylic carbon and it is attached to two more carbon atoms, so this becomes tertiary carbon. So this is tertiary allylic alcohol. Let's take up benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol can be of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. In primary alcohol we will have CH2OH and also this whole group is called benzyl, and here it is attached to primary carbon atom, so we call it primary benzylic alcohol. This is secondary benzylic alcohol because OH is attached to secondary carbon. This is tertiary benzylic alcohol because OH is attached to tertiary benzylic carbon. Compounds containing vinyl group. This is vinyl alcohol. Here also there is double bond character in phenol, so it is sp2 hybridized. This carbon is sp2 hybridized which is connected to OH. This carbon is also sp2 hybridized which is connected to OH. This carbon is sp2 hybridized connected to OH. So first one is phenol, second one is orthocresol. So here OH groups are attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Next we are taking ethers. Ethers can be classified into two types. First is symmetrical, another is unsymmetrical. In symmetrical ethers, there are two alkyl groups attached to oxygen atom. Same alkyl group should be attached. Diethyl ether is the example of symmetrical ether. IUPAC name is ethoxyethane. Whereas this is unsymmetrical ether because both the alkyl groups are different. Here smaller one is made as alkoxy, methoxy, ethane is the IUPAC name. Here also this is unsymmetrical ether. Here we have got two alkyl groups which are different. This is ethoxybenzene. Parent here is benzene. So this is also example of unsymmetrical ethers. Unsymmetrical ethers are also called mixed ethers. Let's take up naming of alcohols. The first compound is CH3OH. It simply can be written as this way, CH3OH. Common name is methyl alcohol. IUPAC name is methanol. So OL is the prefix, OL is the suffix used in all alcohols. Methane is the prefix because carbon atom is 1. Next we are taking alcohol containing 3 carbon atoms, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is normal propyl alcohol is the common name. IUPAC name is propane 1-ol because OH group is attached to the first carbon. Counting will start from here. 1, 2, 3. This is isopropyl alcohol. CH3, CH, OH, CH3. CH, CHOH, CH3. Common name is isopropyl alcohol. IUPAC name is propane 2-ol. Counting is 1, 2, 3. OH group is attached to second carbon. We call it propane. Normal butyl alcohol is the common name. Butane 1-ol is the IUPAC name because OH group is attached to the first carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is secondary butyl alcohol. CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. Why it is called secondary butyl alcohol? Because OH is attached to secondary carbon. Secondary carbon means carbon attached to two more carbon atom directly. IUPAC name is butane 2-ol because OH group is attached to the second carbon. That's why it is called butane 2-ol. Next compound we are taking is isobutyl alcohol. This is CH3, CH3, CH, CH2OH. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. Isobutyl alcohol. Whenever we have got this group, it is called iso. And 4 carbon atom means isobutyl. OH, alcohol. IUPAC name, this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. To the second carbon, methyl group is attached, we write 2-methyl. 3 carbon atom is in the longest chain, we call it propane 1-ol. 1-ol because OH is attached to the first carbon. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. CH3, 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 they are attached to tertiary carbon. OH is attached to tertiary carbon, so it is tertiary butyl alcohol. Why butyl? Because total carbon atom are 4. CH3, 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 COH. And counting is done like this: 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. So second carbon, there is methyl group attached, we call it 2-methyl. And OH group is attached with the second carbon, so we call it propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. This is trihydric alcohol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is glycerol, common name. Glycerine is another common name. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. Propane, 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3 means OH groups are at first, second, third position. Tri means 3, all means OH groups. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol is the IUPAC name. This compound OH group is attached to cyclohexyl group, so it is called cyclohexanol. Here we have 5-membered ring. OH group is attached to the first carbon, methyl group to the second carbon, 2-methyl cyclopentanol. Cyclo we call it because this is cyclopentane ring. This was cyclohexane ring, so we call it cyclohexanol. Next we are taking phenols. When OH group is attached to benzene ring, it is called phenol. Its common and IUPAC names are same. This compound where one OH group and one methyl group both are present at ortho position. So this is called orthocresol. IUPAC name is 2-methylphenol. This is metacresol because methyl and OH group are at 1 and 3 position. It is 3-methylphenol. If they are 1,4 position, we call it paracresol. IUPAC name is 4-methylphenol. Here we have got 2 OH group at ortho position. Common name is catechol. IUPAC name is benzene 1,2-diol. When OH groups are at 1 and 3 position, it is called resorcinol. IUPAC name is benzene 1,3-diol. When OH groups are at 1 and 4 position, we call it hydroquinol, hydroquinone or quinol. IUPAC name is benzene 1,4-diol.